welcome back to my channel. My name is Joan. If you are new, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like these. Today I'll be showing you how I use Canva and my iPad to create beautiful designs for my clothing. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joan, and if this is your first time, welcome, and please feel free to subscribe and like my video if that is of interest to you. And I'm going to show you how I use Canva. Canva is such a nice program to use. I have the pro version, but you could also use the free version with a lot of different options. But I like the pro version because I could use much more. The free version is also nice, as I mentioned. So I'm going to show you how to download like HTV file, is I wanted to print something out that I have for one of my plain t-shirts. So what I'll do, I'll go to on Canva right now, create a design and all of that. Let me just go back home and show you how I start everything. So this is the main page in Canva, the home screen, and I go to create a design and I go to t-shirt. This is the templates here on the side over here. These are all the templates. So I choose this one because I have something in mind. I want to customize this. I wouldn't leave it as this because this is somebody else's creation, but I want to make it my own. But I like the happy face part because I have something that I do, happy thoughts. So instead of having have a good day, I'm going to put happy thoughts over here. So I'll make it my own. I'm going to leave it like this so you can see it with a bright color. So I'm going to click on this here, have a good day. And then I'm going to just double click on it and type happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. And then I'm going to go to over here with the three dots and go to effects. And then where it says curve over here, I'm going to click on curve. So it says happy thoughts. So at least I change the design to my liking. You know, it's still somebody else's creation with a happy face here, but I change it to my liking. So I could save this design now, and I like the way it's designed, you know, in the circular form. So I could print out like a little logo on my t-shirt because this is my saying, happy thoughts. What I do now, I go to upload here. You could do a lot of things with Canva. That's the good thing about it. If you click on t-shirt, they show you how it looks on the t-shirt, and then you could order the t-shirt right from here. They say this one costs $20. You can see on both sides you could print it, so you could print it in the back or you could print it on the front on one side. What color shirt you want, if you want to change the color, you know, blue, say if you want blue, or if you want red, or if you want, you know, whatever color, gray. You could ask them if you wanted to print on the back, print, you know, whatever you want to do. You ask them if you want to add another t-shirt, say for you and your daughter, your son, woman, man, how much you want. And they say happiness guaranteed. If you're not happy with your order, contact us and we'll fix it, reprint it or refund it. So what I'll do, I'll just go to download, upload, and then I'm going to just click. You could print your design if you want it printed, if you don't want it on a t-shirt or whatever. They have more here also. You could do a lot of different things here too, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just download, and then I will put the transparent background. Where it says PNG right here, I click on there, and it's best for web design and animation. So that's what I usually do. I usually click the SVG and transparent background, and then click download. So it says preparing the design, and these are the options to give you. You could copy, save image, assign to contact, print, copy to printer app, save to file. You can save it to file too. I think that's easy to do, to save it to file. I think I'll save it to this because I have a file already saved here. When you click save, so it says, yeah, you have got your design, and that's it. So it's saved. So what I usually do now, if I want, I could go to Go. You see Silhouette Go right here on the iPad. This is another design I did another time. You go back we lost. And if I wanted, I could delete it, maybe delete the design, and maybe I'll be able to pull up my design. I'll go to device. I found out to do it. Wow, but then it comes out in pieces. Highlight the whole thing. So I have to put it as one group, so I'm gonna group it. I have to select it. I have to trace this first, and then after I traced it and everything, then I could go ahead and print it out. Cameo 12 by 12 matte, and this design here, I'm gonna click like unlock this and click 8 by, I don't want it too big, 8 by maybe 6, 8 by 6. Click OK, and this is how the design is. Then I say continue to job settings, and then it give you different settings. You have to mirror design number 1 when you're going to print it, like a HTV heat transfer. You have to mirror the design, and then you could go here and click the different paper or whatever. This is not copy paper, but it's going to be you go over here first, heat transfer, and then you go over to smooth, heat transfer smooth. That's what I did. Then you click continue, and you're going to cut. So you got to cut, continue, and the auto blend, continue. You go over here, test or modify settings, and then you can modify. I usually put 3 for the depth for the blade and 5 for the force. That's how with my machine how it cuts. You can save this as a new settings, or you could just confirm settings. That's it for now, guys. I'll let you know how everything turned out.